Good morning, team. It's Thursday, March 30. Okay. We got some news today, even in London Open, like several small ones. So could be a fun session. Also, there is this unemployment. I think if unemployment keep going lower, it's bad for economy, no? Because inflation doesn't stop. Anyway, we're gonna see later. Charts, daily. Yes, still up, still bullish, but this doji, the way it closed, make me think that maybe we want to form a swing high. There is nothing bearish yet on a daily level, but it's just like a gut feeling. Maybe they want to keep this one capped. 1 second, eccolo. Yeah, something like this. I think they want to form a swing high, and they're gonna protect yesterday high. But let's see hourly charts what they say. H12. Technically, we touched this H12 bearish candle, okay? Well, bullish candle, bearish of the block. It's not like fully mitigated. It didn't even reach the 50%, but it gave some reaction. I mean, it gave like a 50 pip rejection. Yeah, I mean, if we start to going down, I think this level will act as support or at least give some reaction. If we lose this, we go here, and here will be the Lambo longs. But yeah, let's see. H4 is also still high. Here, the BMS up. This is why yesterday I didn't took the short, because first of all, I don't trade much New York, and second, if it's not everything aligned, I don't take risks in New York. So the BMS here, but it's not like a super convincing BMS. That said, they can easily go in back higher, because look, H4 is still up. I mean, this close is bearish. Look the way they push this close. Look at this chart. Look at line chart. You know, this is like a perfect QM on H4 line chart. But yeah, technically they saved this low, and what they can easily do something like this: take yesterday high, and then go in for lower prices. You know, this H4 kind of inside candle haven't been tested. The real order block, they tested the origin, so from here, but they didn't test the candle. Also, look at this flat top. Maybe they do something like this. Some manipulation, and then they're going down. You know, I can see these scenarios. You know, and so far H4 is still up, so I don't want to be bearish too soon. Yeah, then let's check H1. Pretty much the same thing. H1 is still up. The support we marked yesterday worked out like magic. Now again, this order block hold, but it's been tested, the support. So if we decide to go down, I don't expect the support to hold anymore. They held one, twice, that's it. Do we have any untested H1? Yes, this one is kind of untested. It's been mitigated, not too much. This one also is a little bit. I mean, if we break this one, I think. Let me see. I don't like Asia raids. You know, I say this like almost every morning. Look at this. This was an Asia raid, and it failed yesterday. You know, I mean, not failed. It gave reaction and then gave up. So it didn't really fail, but I wasn't expecting to hold too much. This is kind of the same now. It's a raid made in Asia. Why I don't like them? Because Asia has less liquidity, so for them to manipulate price is easier. And I don't know how much liquidity was on top of this swing high. But yeah, it's a swing high from the London close, kind of, New York close. So I don't know. I think if we break this bearish order block, we're gonna go higher. I don't know if here or here, but we're gonna go higher. It's like a pivot area, you know, an area of interest. And instead, if this hold and we start to go down, I think these lows are going. But as always, I wait M15 to tell me the story, because I execute on M1 mainly. So let's check low time frame. So this liquidity start to be stupid, huh? I mean, I don't think it's gonna hold forever. Look, now here it's even cleaner. This has been untested. This chart is a beauty. Yesterday when I went to bed, I was looking at this M5 untested, and I say, like, I almost want to leave a blind limit here. I don't do this overnight, but I knew that this M5 I would give at least 2 hours. You know, it was so clean. Look at this candle, took like 2 liquidity candle and then dumped so straight anyway. Yeah, now they saved this low, so I don't know. I'm gonna wait and see. I'm gonna post charts later as always. This is untested, and also look, now we reacted from this level. No, you remember I said 2 days ago that this motherfucker inside candle with the big wick was like super nice for shorts. Indeed, offered like almost 50 pips rejection. I don't trade blindly like this, but look at this. This is a 4 hour. But the way we're saving the lows, I can see them doing something like this. Let me show you. It's clean here. This fair value gap here in H1. And look, this flat top. Who knows? Maybe they go here, take the flat top, manipulation, and then dumped. Will be totally possible. So right now the flow is still up. Let's say hourly is still up. Well, M15 is not up. Hourly is still up. H1 is up. H4 is up. H12 is up. Daily is up. There is no reason to become bearish too soon. You know, for me to become bearish, I need at least an hourly BMS, a convincing one, okay? Because yesterday I posted this thing on Twitter, and I don't know, right now doesn't look too doable anymore. Can happen, can also not happen so soon. I can see this, as I said, I can see something like that. Maybe like this, maybe we go here, maybe we go here, and then we dump, you know. So I'm gonna keep posting charts later in FXCO chat. Gonna wait Frankfurt open, and we talk later, guys. Yeah, today, tomorrow, and then next week I'm going in another trip again for more than a week. I go to Argentina for 8-9 days. So today and tomorrow are the last reviews for some time. I'm gonna speak to you later in the chat. Ciao.